Hi, today we are making heavy whipped cream. I'm using raw milk. I bought this a day ago and I left it to sit in the fridge for one day. And as you can see, if you look closely, you'll see the milk has separated. There is the top dark layer, which is creamy, and then the rest of the milk fluids, which is more watery. Make sure you're using utensils that have been sterilized using hot water. You don't need any butter, against popular belief, to make heavy whipped cream. So let's begin. So you're going to start by skimming off the top of your milk. Make sure during the process you don't shake your containers so that the milk doesn't mix back into its original component. You're going to do this very slowly, skimming off the top, making sure you're just getting the heavy cream. Remember, this is raw milk. You can also use pasteurized store-bought milk, but raw milk is the best. I went ahead and skimmed off the other container, making sure that I got off the heavy cream from the container and into my saucepan. The next step that we are going to do is very important for raw milk, which is pasteurization. This is killing harmful bacteria and pathogens. You do this by setting up a double boiler with hot water underneath and another saucepan on top. You're going to heat this to a temperature between 135 to 150 degrees centigrade to ensure that you've killed all the harmful bacteria. And immediately you've achieved that temperature, you want to quickly cool down your ice cream, your cream. This is to maintain the nutritional value and so that your milk retains the great taste that it should have. This should take anywhere between 15 to 20 minutes. And once your cream is cool, the next step is to transfer it to a clean glass jar that has a tight lid. And then what you do from now is you can store it in the refrigerator, and you can use your heavy cream to make your ice cream or for dessert or for your pastries and all that. My hope is that you learned something today about making heavy whipping cream at home with just one ingredient, no butter needed. As you can see, you have amazing heavy cream that is better than the store-bought heavy cream. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.